In recent times, 1688 has made series of modifications to their platform. What I basically mean is they have done series of updates, or they have upgraded their platforms to another level. So as far as this modification is concerned, we are just going to look at the very way by which we can track the goods as far as the current modifications on the 1688 mobile app is concerned. At this very moment, this the 1688 interface, just as you can see so clearly. So what I need to do as far as tracking your goods on the 1688 import portal is concerned is to first of all click on the avatar or the me icon. So I click there. So from my interface or on my 1688 platform, just as you can see, I have there are a series of goods that I have ordered them, and some are on transit or others are yet to be packaged and delivered to my shipping company's warehouse address, just as you can see. So guys, first of all, you can see where we have the three at the very top, and the next place where we have the van, you can see six at the top, then the 31 on the other side. Let me first of all explain that before we dive into tracking the goods on the 1688 import portal. Where we have the three, where it has been circled, it basically means that goods that I have successfully made payment for them and they are yet to be delivered to my shipping company's warehouse address in China. Notwithstanding that, where you have the van and you see with the number 6, it means goods that I have successfully placed an order for them, I've made payment for them, and they are in transit or they are yet to be delivered to my shipping company's warehouse address in China. Then the very section where you can see 31, it basically means that goods that have been successfully received by my shipping company in China, and they are waiting for me to give a review or evaluate those very items. So to cut the long story short, our today episode 6 to guide us through the nitty-gritty of how we can track the goods on the 1688 mobile app. So in order to do that, what I need to do to track the goods, I need to click at where we have the van, where the 6 is showing. I go click there. So just as you can see, these are items that I have placed a successful order for them. Most of these items are items that I have ordered them for my clients, for some companies or some market women or traders who contacted me to order them for them. So what I need to do from this very interface as far as tracking the goods is concerned is where you see the very first one where it has circled. Let me just click there for it to open. When it opens to this very interface, if for instance you want to copy the tracking number and go send it to your shipping company or your shipping agent, what you need to do is you can see where we have the ZTO, then 787916. That is the tracking number for this particular goods. So in order to copy it, you can see the other side of it on the right hand side where it has circled. You can see that there is a particular button there. When you click on it, you can see that a pop-up has come. It means that this very tracking number has been copied. So for instance, if you the medium through which you communicate with your shipping agent is via WhatsApp, via WeChat, or any other medium, then you go and send this very tracking number of the goods to your supplier, or sorry, your shipping agent, I should say. Let's assume I want to copy this tracking number and go send it to my shipping agent. So let's assume this is my shipping agent. So I've copied it earlier. So I'll just long press it and click on paste. So you can see, then I click on send. So you can see that it has been sent successfully. So take a critical look at the very tracking number as it was on the 1688 mobile app. So you could see that your shipping company will receive it. Then when they take delivery of your goods, they will know. Notwithstanding that, let's go track it on the 1688 mobile app to know as to whether or not our shipping company has taken successful delivery of our goods or not. So when you get to this very interface, just as I said earlier, and you want to track the item or whatever you have ordered, you can just go click at the very top where the arrow is, and it has circled successfully. So I click there. When it opens to this very interface, you can see that the lines at the location, the Google location, just as you can see, dotted dotted, which basically should tell you that the things that you have ordered successfully are in transit. They're in transit and they are on their way. When we say goods are in transit, it basically means they are still on their way from the supplier's warehouse to the shipping company's warehouse. Yes. So from this interface too, you can still copy the tracking number if you wish. So that is where you can see the tracking number ZTO in bracket, then 7879. Sometimes it depends on the shipping, sorry, the delivery agent or the courier the ship. It depends on the courier the supplier is using. You may not see the ZTO or you may see something else. It's still the same. I just want you to know that where you see my tracking number, you are also going to see your tracking number there um, at the same place. The only thing is the tracking number as you see on my interface now will differ from yours. So in order to copy it from this very interface, what you need to do is to click on the very part where I have circled, and it will copy, and you can go send it to your shipping agent, just as I have demonstrated earlier. Notwithstanding to where you see the 2131, that is the order number for that particular goods we have we are tracking now. So you can see the shipping company address that this particular goods is being using. It's not Money Smile, but is one of my clients, one of the market people, the traders that I import goods for. In order to collapse this to know the venue or where the goods has gotten to, what you need to do from here is to click at this very part where it has circled, and to collapse it, it has collapsed. So you can see the movement of the goods from one jurisdiction to another before a delivery is taken or it is received by your shipping company. So you can see it all successfully. So guys, let me go back and go have another look at another a different goods. So here is another goods that I would like us to have a classical look at it as far as tracking is concerned. So this very one, that's the Ninja blender. So I click there to open. I click there to open. From this very interface too, you can clearly see the tracking number. So if you want to copy it, I've already demonstrated that. So the tracking number from this very interface is the XTO 77328. If you want to copy it, I've demonstrated that earlier. So for us to go open it and confirm from the app or from the 1688 mobile app and be sure that it has been received by our shipping company, what we need to do from here is to click at the very top where the asterisk is, to collapse it. So you can see from the interface clearly. Yes. So from this very interface, you can see from the Google map that the line, the pink line, is not dotted as the previous one. So this clearly means that the shipping company has taken a successful delivery of this particular goods. Yes, this particular goods. So if I, for instance, I want to collapse it to read further, I just click at this very part on top of where the stars are. I click there. So if for instance I want to know the movement of the goods, so you can see where we have the 418, 418, 19, 30. So that is when the movement of the goods has commenced. So it moves in order, in that order. Then you can see where we have the pink Chinese character, where we have the 421 1208. It tells you the time and date that the shipping company has taken delivery of this particular goods. So this is it for us. So one classical ways or means by which you can know your items has been delivered to your shipping company. So in a case where the shipping company says they have not received your parcel or your goods, you can take a screenshot of this place and go send it to your shipping company or your shipping agent, then they can also investigate into it and all that. But always ensure that you copy the tracking number and go send it to your shipping agent for clarification, so that in one way or the other, where they say they have not received this particular goods, you will be able to distinguish between the goods that has been received and the goods that has not yet been received. So guys, this is the end of today's tutorial. I'm the person of Efojimado, the founder of Money Small GH. If you find value in this tutorial, never hesitate to give me a thumbs up, comment in the comment section. If, for instance, there is something that you think I haven't shared yet you want me to have a tutorial on it, do let me know in the comment section. If you find value in this very tutorial or in any of my tutorials, do follow me on my YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and on all the social media platform. Your comment is one of the things that gives me the morale to keep bringing you those insightful tutorials. So guys, see you in my next episode.